Now in today's session, we will discuss about chapter 16 of your science textbook, that is garbage in, garbage out. First of all, let's take a view on the topics we will discuss here. So in this chapter, you will learn about dealing with garbage, biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials, waste products, agencies responsible for cleanliness, 3RS rule, and about plastic that are boon or curse. So starting with introduction. What are garbage or what are the waste materials? Waste materials or rubbish, especially household wastage, are called the garbage. It is called kooda in Hindi. We peel off many fruits and vegetables before eating or cooking them. Sometimes we cook food also remains unused in our homes and it is called leftover food. So the peels of fruits and vegetables, leftover cooked food and fallen leaves of potted plants are thrown away as a garbage. We also tear off various kind of papers, including those from your notebooks, and throw them into dustbin. So the waste paper also generate garbage. In every household, some old or unwanted, useless plastic objects are there. In plastic polythene bags, plastic bottles and containers, broken plastic toys, etc. keep on collecting, which are ultimately thrown as a garbage. So when people get off from a bus, they throw the bus tickets on the road. Some people eat groundnuts and throw their shells in buses, trains and other public places, whereas others throw banana skins on the road. Every time we throw away things, we are producing garbage. In fact, we are generating mountains of garbage every day. So if garbage is not removed from our homes and surroundings regularly, our homes and surroundings will become dirty. Some of the garbage that like leftover food will rot, giving off foul smells. The rotting garbage will become the breeding ground for disease causing organisms like cockroach, flies, mosquitoes, and they will spread disease. Now the question is how to deal with garbage, or what are the methods to deal with garbage? See, the garbage has two types of components in it, useful components and non-useful components. So those things present in garbage which can be converted into useful products that can be recycled or reused are called useful components. Means the piece of fruit and vegetables, leftover cooked food and fallen leaves, they can be converted into compost. And the used paper, plastic, glass, metal articles, they can be recycled or reused. So they are considered into useful components. Now about non-useful component. Those things present in garbage which can neither be used in any way, not recycle or reuse. So they are called non-useful components. The non-useful components are separated out and spread over the landfills and covered with the layer of soil. And once the landfill is completely full, it is usually converted into park or a playground. Okay. Now next is about biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials, garbage or waste. So the part of garbage which can rot or decompose in nature to form harmless substance, they are called biodegradable. All the garbage from plants, that is fruit, vegetable peels, leftover food, leaves, paper, cotton, jute, and from animals like wool, silk, leather, cow dung, they are biodegradable. And biodegradable garbage is also known as organic waste. On the other hand, the part of garbage which does not decompose in nature is called non-biodegradable garbage. That garbage which consists of plastic, glass, metal object, they are non-biodegradable. Okay. So getting rid of non-biodegradable parts of garbage is a problem because it does not rot or decay when buried in the soil, and if we burn it, it gives the poisonous gases. Okay. So depending upon the types of waste, municipalities provide separate dustbin for collecting two kinds of garbage. Usually one color is blue and the other is green. The green dustbin is for collecting kitchen waste or the other plant and animal waste which can be used to make compost. And the blue dustbin, it is for collecting the waste material like plastic, glass object, metal articles which can be recycled or used again. Okay, so these are the two colors, different colors of bins that are used. Now about waste. You know that the people produce a large number of waste products. Some of them are gaseous waste like carbon dioxide. Some are liquid waste like sewage, and the other are solid waste like paper, plastic, glass, clothes, broken shoes, steel, junk car. So the solid waste is called refuse, and if refuse does not dispose properly, it looks ugly, smell foul, and attract the animals that spread diseases. So we have to find the proper disposal of waste products.